Hi kids, ready to meet some cool snakes today? Let's slither and learn their names together.
Rat snake.
This is a rat snake. It eats rats and is not poisonous to humans.
Cobra.
This is a cobra. It spreads its hood when it feels danger and is very poisonous.
Kite.
This is a crate. It comes out at night and its bite works slowly.
Sand boa.
This is a sand boa. It hides under the sand and its head and tail look the same.
Water snake.
This is a water snake. It lives near ponds and rivers and eats fish.
Python.
This is a python. It is big and strong and wraps around its prey.
Tree snake.
This is a tree snake. It is long and thin and lives on trees.
Vine snake.
This is a vine snake. It is green and thin and hides among leaves.
Cat snake.
This is a cat snake. It has cat-like eyes, is active at night, and moves on trees.
Flying snake.
This is a flying snake. It glides from tree to tree, but it doesn't really fly.
Wolf snake.
This is a wolf snake. It is not poisonous and can climb walls very fast.
Blind snake.
This is a blind snake. It is very small and lives underground.
Keelback.
This is a keelback. It eats frogs and small animals and is not poisonous.
Bronzeback tree snake.
This is a bronzeback tree snake. It is beautiful and lives on trees.
Checkered keelback.
This is a checkered keelback. It lives in fields and ponds and eats fish.
Kukri snake.
This is a kukri snake. Its teeth are like a small knife and it is not poisonous.
Egg-eater snake.
This is an egg-eater snake. It only eats bird eggs and is harmless.
Green snake.
This is a green snake. It hides in tree leaves and eats insects.
Glossy snake.
This is a glossy snake. It shines but does not bite and is calm.
Earth boa.
This is an earth boa. It lives in the soil in small burrows and is small and gentle. Great job, little explorers! You learned so many snakes today. See you soon with more amazing animals.